Are your followers ghosting you? Don't worry. Here's how to wake them up and bring them back to your content. Number one, acknowledge the problem. Let's be real. Almost every creator has inactive followers, including me. People follow you, but over time, their engagement drops. That doesn't mean your content isn't valuable. It just means you need a reason to reconnect. Number two, segment your audience. Step one, figure out who's inactive. Look at your analytics. Who hasn't liked, commented, or shared in a while? These are the followers you want to focus on. Number three, create irresistible content hooks. Next, make content that specifically grabs attention and asking questions that directly involve your audience. For example, which of these would you try first? Or I need your opinion on this. This makes inactive followers feel seen. Number four, use direct re-engagement tactics. These are the following: DM or comment shoutouts, direct message, reach out personally saying, "Hey, we miss you" in the conversation. Exclusive content. Post something only your loyal followers can access. People love feeling special. Interactive stories and reels. Use questions. They are low-effort way for followers to engage without feeling pressured. Number five, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight results. Re-engagement is about showing up consistently and creating opportunities for your audience to interact again. Even small interactions like a quick emoji reply build momentum. Number six, measure and optimize. Finally, track who responds. Note what types of content get them back and double down. This isn't a one-size-fits-all. Your audience will show you what works to the fullest.